time before.
Yeah, but
You assembled it.
it's nice.
How much is that thing? You Filipino, right?
Yeah, it's 1200 plus
1200?
1200 plus 17 bucks.
Oh my god. Still money, eh?
Battery is like plus chargers another 500.
So not including battery?
No, it's not included.
So it's about 1300 then. More?
It's 500 plus 500. So
Oh my god, that remote control is not included yet?
no,
Oh my god. So overall it's like 1500.
it's 3000.
No way! How come it's 3000?
This is 1200.
Uh-huh.
500 battery 500
Plus tax.
plus tax. It's more than 3000.
Oh my god. That's a fortune already in the Philippines. Yeah. $3,000. You know how much $3,000 is? 120.
The thing is, if you are enjoying it,
Yeah,
it's just like buying cars, right?
I know.
This one is
This one is like it's not sport one, eh? It's a big.
yeah. This is not this is really big, so
My brother used to go for races.
no, I have a buggy, a race buggy,
Or racing one.
and yeah, a Steeler.
This one is not, eh? For racing, eh?
This one is for racing and for bashing,
Yeah.
for abuse,
Mm-hmm.
and I have also a
Is
truck.
that battery itself, or before you used to put gas on it?
No battery? This one is battery.
Which one is better, battery or the other one? Oh boy, that.
Because this one is the battery of this one is 11.2.
Yeah.
So this
How long it will last?
this one is 30 minutes.
Oh, not
So
long,
this
eh?
one basically is 22.2 volts.
And there's no the tire won't rolling it, right?
Yeah.
Not really, eh? But if it's in a hard space, it will.
Yeah.
Have toys. That's like
This one is like Can-Am.
it's like a price of a motorbike in the Philippines. Yeah, $3,000. It's 120,000 pesos. How much one motor bike?
My buggy is more money than this one. It's 5,000.
The motorbike's cheaper.
Yeah.
I think 120. You can have
But more expensive is the one, like the one is flying, like helicopter.
Yeah.
That one dangerous. You need in big space.
a.
You can only, yeah, you need a permit. You can operate that one in not in a public people, you know, unless you are professional.
Oh.
Cam is not adding. Oh my god, it's cold. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you.